I just want to show you how to add a column onto a dashlet on your Sugar CRM dashboard. The example I have here is with a list of knowledge base articles. Sometimes a knowledge base article does expire, so that's not one that I want to send out to my clients or even to other colleagues when they have a question. Another example that I just did the other day, I needed to see the status of a renewal, if it was paid for or not. So I needed to add a renewal completed column to my dashlet. So just a couple of ways to think about how you want to add different columns in. So my knowledge base right here, I can see the knowledge base article, the language, how many times it was revised in the category, and so on. But what I want to see is the status of it, if it's expired, if it, is brand new. So I'm going to go to Configure and Edit on the dashlet. I'll move myself over here. And then I'm going to add status. And I want it right at the front, so that way I know right away what's going on. So I'm going to put it right there and select Save. So now I have the status of these knowledge base articles. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.